So we just talked about the egg that it was soaking in water. When it soaked in water, it swelled up. We put the egg in salt water, and suddenly the next day the egg shrunk. It got smaller. This process is called osmosis. And what osmosis is if I can get this to come down, it's another form of passive transport, which means that it doesn't require any energy, and it involves the movement of water molecules, okay? This is big, across a membrane. In this case, the egg membrane, okay? But I want you to try to relate it to cell membranes. So osmosis is a form of passive transport, meaning it doesn't require any energy, and it involves the movement of water, that is key, water, across a cell membrane or a membrane. Now, a couple days later, after the egg soaked in salt water, I had you dye the water red, okay? Now, what happened there? Well, what should have happened is the colored water the next day after you looked at it, the colored water actually went into the egg and it swelled up again, okay? Now the egg is the same color as the food coloring. And what this is called diffusion, okay? I don't know if there's anything under here. Diffusion, I can get rid of this, sorry. Diffusion is another type of passive transport, meaning it doesn't require any energy. And this is when we have particles from a high concentration area to an area of lower concentration. Okay, oxygen enters, for example, this is an example, oxygen enters and carbon dioxide exits through diffusion. Okay. One of the main differences between osmosis and diffusion is with diffusion, you're talking about the passing in and out of the membrane of all other materials. With osmosis, it is specifically water, okay? With diffusion, it's all other materials.